Ladies and gentlemen, I want everyone to know that this ringing phone is mine. And this ringing tone is also mine. Actually, you shouldn't be listening to it. So plug your ears. It belongs to me. Hurry up. Plug your ears. Do it. Do it now. You're not covering your ears. Well, you should not be listening to this. And just so you know, you can't answer the phone because it's my phone. Well, maybe we can make a deal. You can answer the phone, but only if you pay me first. Come on, don't be stingy now. 2 golden coins. Hurry up, cough it up now. It's still ringing.